Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find all the saved Wi-Fi password you have ever connected to in your Windows 11 operating system. So let's say you have connected to multiple Wi-Fi networks from your Windows 11 operating system and you want to know the passwords of all the connected networks you have previously connected to from your Windows 11 operating system. I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. This involves command prompt, but the commands are so simple that you can easily do it. So for this, what you need to do is, let me show you the Wi-Fi connection right now in my Windows 11 operating system. So I have only connected to this Wi-Fi network. So I will be able to recover only the password of this network. But if you have ever connected to multiple passwords, then you can recover all of them also. So for this, what you need to do, you just need to click on the search icon here and then search for CMD or command prompt. And once the result shows, you just need to click on run as administrator. Okay, so run as administrator, which is going to open this command prompt here. Let me increase the font size of this so you will be able to see it in a better way. Let me just change it to the higher number. Now in the command prompt, you need to provide two commands. First command is this one. This is going to show you the list of all the networks you have ever connected to. And this command is simple. Just copy and paste this command in your terminal. I'm going to provide these commands in the description of this video also, so you can directly copy and paste them in your Windows operating system. Copy and right click and it will be pasted. So this command is netsh wlan show profile. Press enter and it's going to show you all the networks you have ever connected to. You can see I have connected to this network and this network, right? So two networks. Now in order to recover the password of both these networks, what I need to do, I need to provide the second command, which is this one. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this command and then just right click on my command prompt, and this command will be pasted on my command prompt. And this command is netsh wlan export profile, and this is the folder where this file for the password will be created, and space key is equal to clear. Just press enter after giving this command and you will see this kind of response, and it says interface profile, this network is saved to file this one. So if you have two networks here, then two files will be created. If you have 5 network here listed, then 5 files will be created, one file for each network. Now you can simply go to your folder explorer and then click on your C drive, because here the files are created. You can see this XML file and this XML file, right? So here you can see two files are created. Let's say I want to know the Wi-Fi password of this network. So I can just right click here and then I can click on open with, and I can open this XML file with WordPad or Google Chrome or any other application. I'm going to open it with WordPad. So I'm going to click on WordPad, which is going to open this kind of file, right? So here you will be able to see all the properties of your network. The one we are interested in is this property, which is key material, and whatever password is in between this key material element, this is your Wi-Fi password. So in this way you can find out the password you have connected to. So you have the XML file for each network you have ever connected to, and then you will be able to just click on that file and find the password of that network. So this is how you can find all the password of the Wi-Fi or networks you have connected to using command prompt. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.